Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add your research publication to your LinkedIn profile. First, open your publication site in a separate tab. As you can see, I already have my paper opened here. Next, go back to your profile, LinkedIn profile, locate the Add Profile section button and click on it. Then scroll down to the Additional section and click to expand it. Here you will find the Add Publications option. Click on it. You will now see several fields that require details from your paper. First, for the title section, go back to your paper site, copy the title and paste into the designated box. Next, under Publisher, locate the publisher on your paper site. As for my case, the publisher section is right below the paper title. Copy it, and paste it here. For the publication date, scroll down to your paper's page until you find the date. Here, I found my publication date, which is mentioned here. Then enter the publication date accordingly to your LinkedIn to the designated box here. Here I have seen my part. Here I am just selecting the date here and it's okay. If your paper has multiple authors, you can add them by clicking Add Authors option. We are almost done. Under Publication URL, simply copy the paper's site link, copy and paste in here. Finally, for description, copy the abstract. Copy the abstract from a paper site. Copy and paste it here. Once everything is fulfilled, click Save, and that's it. Your publication is now added to your LinkedIn profile, and you can locate your publications here in this section. Here you can see the publications is added to your profile section. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.